This video explains how to buy shares of SIXT SE. SIXT SE is a German car rental and mobility company listed on Xetra as SIXT.de, and this guide is for educational purposes only. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SIXT.de to find the SIXT SE listing. Select the matching result that shows the stock on Xetra. On the asset page, check the company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct SIXT SE listing. Ensure the ticker reads SIX2.de and the exchange shows Xetra. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order and confirm it. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the link to eToro in the description below for convenience.